Today, I am celebrating 1 year of consistent weightlifting. I have definitely learned a lot in this past year, not just about fitness, but about life. The discipline, the routine, the mindset, it all carries over into other parts of my world. So, in this video, I'm going to share some lessons and insights that will definitely help you in your fitness journey. Just like anything in life, you are going to make mistakes, and that's okay. Learning from them is part of the process, but don't forget to learn from others' mistakes as well. That's just free wisdom. The first year of your fitness journey is really important because you have to either choose cutting or bulking. Since the first year is going to be a newbie phase, it's going to give you the best results. So definitely choose wisely what you want to do, either cut or bulk. Just a side note, prepare your meals in advance. It's going to take you a long way. I was over 25% body fat, so my choice was clear that I had to cut down before I could bulk. And the biggest mistake that I've made is cutting my calories way too much and way too soon. Because I wanted to lower my body fat, the first thing I did was started my cut with 1600 calories, and that was unnecessary. The best thing you can do for yourself when you are going into a cut or a bulk, find your maintenance calories. Before you do anything, just find your maintenance calories first. I will link a calculator in the description box below. Find the number and eat at your maintenance calories for 2 weeks, and if your weight doesn't fluctuate a lot, you have your maintenance calories. Only after doing so and keeping the same activity level as your maintenance phase, lower your calories by only 200, either by decreasing the amount of food you eat or increasing your cardio. Don't make the mistake I did. I started off with a very aggressive cut of 1600 calories, while my maintenance calories was around 24 to 2500. By doing so, it messed up my sleep and cost me a lot of gains that I could have made. And that is why you should only lower your calories by 200, and when your body adapts to that lowered calories, you decrease by 100 or 200 again, and so on, But don't go lower than 4 to 500 at max than your maintenance calories. Just a side note, I got a haircut and now I have to go home and take a shower again because of hair all over, and I like to style my hair myself. So I'm gonna do that, then probably get a coffee, then I'll go to the gym. Coffee is my pre-workout of choice, and it has become a ritual for me. So every single time I'm done drinking coffee, I automatically know it's time to work out. Hell or high water, you always start your workout with a warm-up. 5 minutes on treadmill, warm up your joints, and before getting into your first set, the working set, you start with smaller weights, increase them until your working weight. Before I give you the next tip, enjoy this workout montage. The most underrated tip is complete your step goal at least 7 to 8,000. I recommend 10, but at least 7 to 8. Either do it after workout or in the evening or whenever you find time. The science-based community often say that you do not have to drink your whey protein after your workout. I agree, but why not? If you are going to take your whey protein, if it's in your diet, why would you not take after workout? It's the best time, in my opinion. On top of that, it's refreshing after workout. I want to leave you guys with one last piece of wisdom, the most important one. Atomic Habits literally changed my life. You can't reach your goals unless you start acting like someone who already achieved them. Someone who's disciplined, someone who stays on target, and who has built a habit that just feels like second nature. For example, if you don't eat, act, and think like someone with six packs, you'll always stay the same. Think about that for a minute.